Welcome to our warehouse safety innovation, the Human Vehicle Collision Prevention Alarm System. In busy warehouses, the risk of collisions between forklifts and pedestrians is a constant concern. Our system addresses this critical safety issue head-on. Using advanced sensor technology, we've created a multi-layered safety net. Forklifts are equipped with intelligent detection systems that can identify human presence in their vicinity. When a potential collision is detected, the system springs into action. Visual and auditory alarms are triggered, alerting both the forklift operator and nearby pedestrians. But we don't stop there. Our system goes beyond mere warnings. In high-risk situations, it can automatically slow down or even stop the forklift, preventing accidents before they happen. This proactive approach significantly reduces the likelihood of collisions, creating a safer work environment for everyone. Moreover, our system is designed for seamless integration into existing warehouse operations, minimizing disruption while maximizing safety. With the Human Vehicle Collision Prevention Alarm System, we're not just responding to safety concerns, we're anticipating and preventing them, setting a new standard in warehouse safety technology. Detailed information, please check our website, www.westhn.com, and contact our sales.